Okay, so I'm noticing these swim diapers. Here, I'm gonna hand you one because I want to talk about these. I mean, seriously, dude, how cute are those? Those are the boys, I'm
Yeah.
saying, okay? And then the girls, oh my gosh, they're so cute. I love them. Tell us about these.
So, after the diaper, the wipes, you take the kids swimming and, swim lesson.
And we do live in Southern California here.
Yes, and I grew up on a boat, so for me, swim lesson was like a must. You need your driving license and you need to know how to swim.
Right.
It's the two
End of story,
prerequisites.
right.
Yes. And I went to swim school, and a lot of them, they don't have really many options. And you go to the store, it's those disposable swimmers that are ugly as hell, and then the kids go in the pool, they blow up.
Right.
They're disgusting. I mean, there's no other word for it. And they don't contain anything. So a lot of time they have to shut the pool. They call it code brown in the hotel industry. So they have to shut the pool with bleach. So it's a disaster. So I created those because they have really tight string, and we have 4 sizes, so they're really tight on. So if the baby has a blowout, it's all contained. And now we sell them in all the swim school around the world. We're mandated by a U.S. Swim School Association.
Wow.
And we made them out of tencel. And
Reusable.
well, it's the greenest man-made cellulose in the world.
Is that right?
Yeah, it's birch wood from sustainable forestry. And they just make that pulp that happen, and it's super soft.
I'm feeling the inside of this swim
Incredible.
diaper, and I'm blown away how soft this is.
Super soft.
So dear.
Super soft. It's naturally antibacterial, and it reduces the growth of bacteria, which for a product like that, it's perfect. And it's also one of the most absorbent fabric that you can, so we don't need to have the thick layer. For little drip, if there's a mini accident, it will contain most of it. It's not a diaper, of course.
Right.
But when you're going swimming, no swim diapers contain pee. That's also another myth. It's a poo catcher, period. Just like the disposable don't absorb any pee.
Right.
They blow up because of the product inside.
So you only need to buy one of these, right? And you can reuse it.
You can reuse it many times. You need to make sure that you use the right size.
Right.
Because a lot of parents, they buy the next size up thinking they're going to have more lifetime out of the product, but
Right.
it's actually a mistake, because if it's bigger, then it doesn't have the tight fit that you want.
Right. It's not doing its job.
No. So buy more, give it to your niece or nephews, or give it to your girlfriend, or you can even resell them. A lot of the secondhand market are available.
Okay. Well, I just love the colors that you chose. I love that you have them for both boys and girls. I just think they're beautiful. And I think that kids would love these colors too, that they would love to wear something like this, right?
They would love it. And we have the reusable swim diaper. We have them in that can be used as training pants as well for European markets. So we have different. We have some with snaps as well. So if you have an accident, you just unsnap it, and it's just easier to clean up. We have different option. And the latest product that we did recently is the baby wallet for the swim lesson, because a lot of time you send daddy or the nanny. So in the swim wallet, you have your little swim diaper. Those are the snap I was telling you,
So cute.
right?
Yes.
And then you can undo it. So you have the swim diaper, you have the rash guard that matches. Sounds like a lot of stuff. Then you have the little jumpsuit.
Is that unbelievably cute or what?
For California, it's perfect. But I mean, all of this fits in there. So you can have your little glasses, your sunscreen.
Right. You have your little kit.
Yeah.
You're ready to go.
And it's waterproof. So, I call it the baby wallet. You can have your pacifier, whatever medicine. Isn't that cute?